So over here you can see that I have my Gmail being displayed out in English language. And in your case, you might want to change out the language that you see. In that case, what you can do is you can go around and click on these settings, the gear icon right here. And once you go around over there, you can go around and click on see all settings. So once you do that, over here under the general tab right here, you can see the language, that is the display, Gmail display language option. If I were to go around over here, you can see that it is set to English right now, and you can change that from English, let's say for example, into another language of your choice right here. You can also change the language setting for other Google products, but we are focusing on Gmail language only in this video. So we're going to go around and select this, and you don't see that language is changed. That is because you have to scroll down and click on the Save Changes button right here. Once you do that, Gmail reloads, and you can see that the language changes out right here, and you can see the UI is language changing out as well. If I were to go around and click on the gear icon right here, you can see that different settings right here are being displayed in another language as well. If I were to go around onto the configuration right here, that is the settings right there, you can go around onto general, and then you can change around your language back to English as well, and then click on save right here. And once that is done, everything refreshes out, and then you can see the language change once more. And that is how you can go around and change up the Gmail language inside of your Gmail inbox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.